In life, there are many doors to choose from. Doors that open to new opportunities, that bring you to new worlds, to places never before considered. Doors that will lead you to the things you love, to the things that matter to you, to the life you've envisioned. Some doors are said to be out of reach and can only be opened by a select few. But no door is out of reach. Commitment, drive, and determination are the keys to opening life's many doors. Whether you're starting out, heading in a new direction, or exploring new options, all it takes is finding the right door to open 1,000 others. Find your door. St. Lawrence College.